still waiting. I got interrupted. It's the next day. I don't know if you can see him. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. This baby Papa is in here snoring. Can you hear him? Snoring like a grown man.